And welcome back, everybody. How have you guys been? Did you miss me? I missed you guys. It has been a while since we've done a video. I just want to start off saying I got all of you guys' messages. Thank you guys so much for all the kind words and everything. I also took a couple months off. Just wanted to get away from YouTube for a while. Just have some fun, you know. But now I'm back. You guys want them, so I'm back for you guys making videos. I will be putting videos out again every week, so make sure to hit subscribe and follow. Today we are at Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort for the follow-up video to my construction video I did a few months back. A lot of people have been messaging me, can you go do an update on the construction? Totally understand. There's a lot of stuff going on at this resort, so I will get as much as I possibly can. I actually just got here and I honestly am actually lost already, so I'm gonna get my bearings and I'll be back here in a minute. Well, not for you guys, it won't be a minute, but and we'll take a tour and a complete update of all of this crazy construction going on. I'm already staring at the Riviera Resort, and this is the closest I've been to it. This thing is enormous. So welcome back, Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort. Let's go. Okay, so now that I figured out where I am, the first thing we're gonna do is check out the Riviera Resort. This is actually a whole different area. I was never even allowed over here the last time I did my construction video the last time. If you haven't checked that one out, check that video out in my replays. I'll put a link somewhere in my video. So you can kind of compare the differences over the past few months. I did that video back in, I think, June, I want to say. I don't remember. But just seeing the progress of this place is insane. I stayed here back in the end of June during the Toy Story weekend opening, and just even from then to now, there's a lot of changes. So main ones I've seen so far, obviously the Riviera, which I'm going to show you here in a quick second. There is the old Port Royal, where you used to do all your check-in, or it was called Centertown, sorry, Centertown, where you used to do all your check-in. It was like the lobby of the place. That is completely torn down. Hello. Security. Yeah, the entire Centertown complex, bulldozed. You do not check in there. You do not even go there. That's destroyed. It's gone. No more. So you actually go to where we're gonna go, over to Old Port Royal, where the new Sebastian's restaurant and all that good stuff is. So I've never actually seen that before, so we're all gonna see that for the first time together. So we're gonna make our way over there, which is way over there. So I forgot how big this resort was. Okay, so this might be a little on the longer side, so let's get started. First part, we'll start off showing you the Riviera Resort. Hope you guys enjoy. One huge change so far that I've noticed just right off the bat already is the Riviera. They have their Skyliner station. That wasn't even started the last time I was here. We didn't even know where the Skyliner was going to go here. So at one point we thought it was going to go over here, but obviously it made more sense to go over on that side, and that obviously is where it's at. And if you're wondering where I'm at here at the Caribbean, if you want to get like a really good view of all of this, I'm actually standing right next to the Barbados. Assuming this is Barbados. I'm not really sure what section this is, but this is where I'm at. You can't miss it. Yeah, it's right here. I'm pretty sure this is Barbados. I will get that here in a second. And the thing that I loved about this resort was that each section has their own pools. And yes, they are actually very quiet. I think I stayed in Trinidad and it was absolutely nobody there. It was like the greatest thing ever. Okay, so after looking at the map, I am definitely not in Barbados, which is right here. We are actually way over here. Which this all right here is the Riviera Resort. Obviously not on their map, but we are right here. So it's just this little corner. We're looking right at the Riviera Resort right there. this is actually a really beautiful resort if you've never stayed here before, or if you are staying here. Honestly, this is a very beautiful resort. I was actually pleasantly surprised when I stayed here. It's a very quiet resort. It's definitely it's a huge resort. I do believe there was 4 bus stops, I want to say. So it's definitely not small. But just the Damien's really cool. And one other thing about these rooms, this section right here, these are all preferred rooms. Why are they preferred? It's because they are right next to the new lobby and restaurant. Now, I'm not sure if there's a food court here anymore. That we're going to find out as soon as we get up there. But yeah, you are nice and close. So these ones definitely think about getting those ones if you're staying. One of the cool, really cool amenities that will be coming to this resort in the next, I think, year probably. Obviously, we've all heard about it. It's the Skyliners. You see the station at the Riviera. It does connect to the Caribbean Beach Resort, which is going to be the hub for the Skyliner. And I will show you guys that station. That thing is huge. If you didn't see my other video, I showed it while it was being constructed. So I'm curious to see what it looks like now. That thing was huge last time I was here, so pretty excited to see that. I guess the awesome chairs. Very, very awesome. Okay, so we are making our way towards the new lobby area. It is a little on the windier side. I do apologize. I'll try and adjust that when I'm editing this. It is very, very windy here in Orlando today. The high is like 70 today. It's like, I think, 60 degrees right now. It is cold. But I do apologize if it's a little on the windier side. I'll try and edit that up for you guys. Okay, so one of the obviously new things so far, this whole area, this was not even open the last time I was here. This actually just recently reopened. As you can see, they have the new lobby, the new market, and the trading post. So we're gonna go inside and check those out here right now. This is really nice. These are the front desk now. Very, very nice. Huge upgrade. Wow. Has like little tables you can sit and wait at. Very, very cool. Oh, check this out. While you're waiting, you can charge your phones. Very cool. Got a little kids waiting area. Wow, this is really nice. Alright, so the Spyglass is the restaurant that's actually out in one of the buildings. I'll show you guys that. Sebastian's, that's the new one, so we're going to check that out as well. Very nice. There's a little screen channel lobby. Okay, so yeah, that was closed last time I was here, so we'll check that out. That didn't exist, we'll check that out. that actually just moved, so we're gonna check that out. And we'll check that out again. I've already done that before, but I'll show you guys that. Alright, and this is the new gift shop. Very, very nice. A little on the smaller side, but there's all of the typical Disney stuff in here. It's got some resort specifics as well. Very cool. And some more resort-specific merchandise. Got some coffee mugs, luggage tags, beer cheeses. I believe a little bit busy. Okay, so they still do have the food court. There's still Centertown Market. Obviously upgraded a lot. Very, very nice. I never came in here before they redid it, so I'm not sure exactly what it looks like, but I know it didn't look like this, so you'll see a huge improvement in the food court. I'm not eating here, but if you guys have ever eaten here before, or you do eat here between now and maybe the video, I guess, leave a comment. Let me know how the food is here. I actually would love to come back and try this sometime. The food does look really good from what I've seen so far. I just happened to come stumbling across this. I didn't even know they did this anymore, but you can see there's a pirate flag. They still do a little kids pirate cruise here. Never knew they did that anymore. I don't really know a whole lot about it, so look on Disney's website for information on that, but they still do it here, so that's pretty cool. Okay, so first impressions, the lobby, huge upgrade, beautiful, love the lobby, check-in area, everything about it, absolutely love it. That's what this resort deserved, so it's good to see them getting that. Food court, the food looked amazing. I didn't eat there, so if you guys have been there or do go there between now and whenever you watch this video, leave a comment. I would love to know how the food actually is. It was a little on the smaller side. It is very loud, so I had to leave, but Disney food court, it's gonna be loud. Theming, everything in there was beautiful, so I definitely love the new upgrades there. All right, here is the brand new Sebastian's Bistro. I don't have reservations, so obviously I'm not gonna go in there to eat, but this is what it looks like. It's very, very cool outside. So if you've ever been here before, definitely one of those popular things at this resort is the pool. It is pirate themed, pirate fort, whatever. It is very, very, very cool. When I stayed here, I definitely swam here. It was awesome, loved it. Definitely gets busy, but check it out, it's pretty cool. guys, another huge thing from my last video. This entire section is now closed off. There used to be a temporary bar, food tent, a trailer with shopping. So this is completely closed off now, so there's another huge difference. Alright, so just to give you guys kind of an idea of what all we've done so far, we started off right here. We went down that way, we did a lap around that way, went around that way, went that way, and we are now right there. So as you can see, we are only maybe a third of the way around this resort. That's how huge this thing is. We gotta go all the way down here. We gotta go over here, we gotta go over here. We got a lot to go, guys. So as you can see by that map, this resort is huge. We are literally maybe a third, maybe not even a third of the way around this entire resort. So we got a lot of resort left. Hope you guys are enjoying it. I'm trying to get as much as I can. Same time, I don't want this video to be 3 hours long, so I'm trying to get the key points for you guys. Hope you guys are enjoying. Leave a comment below if you anything in particular that you're enjoying seeing, something you do want to see. I can come back and do another one. Yeah, hope you guys are enjoying. Alright, so like I was saying earlier, the Caribbean Beach Resort and the Skyliner. The Skyliner and the Caribbean Beach Resort is kind of the hub. I think in my last video I called it like the TTC of the Skyliner or something like that. I don't remember, but it is the hub area for the entire Skyliner, and I'm about to show you guys this hub station. This thing is huge. This one I was here the last time, it was huge. This thing is, I swear, like twice as big. Check this thing out. That thing is huge. Like, just looking at my phone, the video is not even doing it justice. This thing is enormous. You got skylines going out that way, you got them going that way, you got them going out that way. That is going to be impressive to see next year when this thing opens. Definitely going to be checking this out. Alright, so about this whole little hub, from what we can tell, there are 3 different lines. It'll come and do a out and back, out and back, out and back. This one right here is the one that goes towards the Riviera and Epcot Center. This one right here in the middle will go out that way towards Hollywood Studios. And this one will do an out and back towards the Art of Animation and Pop Century. So either way, it looks like you'll have to come here, hop off, and then get onto another Skyliner. So anybody was wondering, yes, looks like you will have to transfer to a different car, which would make sense since you can't ride a car from Pop Century all the way out to Epcot Center. That'd be silly. So anyway, that is the Skyliner hub. Hope you guys like that. I cannot wait for that. Leave a comment below if you're excited for the Skyliner. Do you think it's a good idea, bad idea? Leave a comment below. Let me know what you think. Alright, so next up on the list, I'm going to check out the Spyglass. Didn't really look too much at it last time, just kind of Did a drive-by of it just because it was kind of busy and I don't like videoing people while they're eating. But we'll go check it out. Hopefully it won't be too busy. See, curious if it's still popular or not. I know it was very popular when the food court was kind of gone, so I'll be curious to see if Sebastian's in the food court had any change on the spyglass. And if you haven't been here yet and you are coming here or you do want to come check out the spyglass, just for you, those of you that are wondering what the heck is he even talking about, and if you haven't seen any videos of it, it's kind of like a quick service grab and go. Just got like a little patio, a couple tables, food, whatever. But it is way out here. So way out here in Trinidad, right there. Where we started, way over there. So yeah, it's literally on the opposite side of the resort. So if you're really hungry, want something quick and easy, this is out here. It is right here, so we're gonna go check it out real quick. So that's the Spyglass Bar and Grill. Honestly, not impressed with it. Doesn't have a big food selection, nothing that I personally care for. Capacity in there. Capacity actually had a sign that said 32, so the size-wise, that's how many people can fit in there. It is very small. It is a little on the louder side. I was rather surprised. I don't remember it being loud, but if you're staying on this side of the resort, it might be quick, nice and quick for you guys. If I'm not staying on this side of the resort, I'm probably not coming way over here for it. Just personal opinion. But like I said, try it, make your own opinions of it, see if you guys like it. Leave a comment below if you guys like it, and I'll be curious to see what you guys say. Well, why I was over here, I did discover this though. I do not remember this, but if you were staying over here, you hit a gold mine over here. Private beach with hammocks, beach chairs. You literally have your own private beach over here. There's nobody out here. I mean, okay, it's like 60 degrees, but this is a nice beach. I like this. Like I was saying earlier, this is a very quiet resort. I am really surprised at how quiet it is. I know the last couple times I've been here, it was really quiet. I thought maybe, oh wow, we're just getting lucky. This is a quiet resort. Obviously, it's, if not the biggest resort, but definitely a bonus. All right, so we have literally hit the end of the resort. So, from where we started, right here, this is where the bus drops you off at. And I walked up that pathway right there, right at the beginning of the video. We have gone all the way to here. Very end of the resort. Keep going. You actually, well, you can't see it, but that right there is the Art of Animation Resort. So that's how close you're to Art of Animation. You wouldn't think so, but it is literally right there. You can't, oops, it's focusing on my finger. If you look right through the tree over here, it keeps focusing on my finger, so we're not gonna do that. Right past that skylighter pole there is the Art of Animation Resort. You can see the top of the building just through the tree, but you guys probably can't because it's, I don't know, whatever. But anyway, it's there, trust me. So we're gonna head back up this way, cross that bridge, head up by the other resort, and get a wrap on this video here pretty soon. Hope you guys are enjoying it. It is a beautiful day here in Orlando, so I am not hating this at all. Hope you guys are enjoying it. Okay, so I'm about as close as possible as you can get to the Skyliner station here. As you can see, it is, like I said earlier, thing is enormous. I really can't wait to see this thing done. This thing is impressive. It is huge. Like all the other stations look really cool. They're small though. This thing, wow. Can't wait. Alright, so we made it to Jamaica finally. In my last video, I think I said this was my favorite section. Actually, I think it still might be though. I don't know. That very first section I was in, that was actually really cool. So it's a toss-up. This one just, I love everything about it. The coloring, theming. Very, very cool. If you've ever stayed at this resort, leave a comment below. What do you guys think of this resort? Because I'm actually mind blown just from June to now how much different this place is. So leave a comment below. Let me know what you guys think. If you stayed here before, or if you are getting ready to stay here, what are you looking most forward to about staying here? Alright, so right behind me is the other pool, one of the private pools. I'm not actually going to go up and film there just because there's a bunch of kids and their families playing, so I don't want to go up there and film, but that's where the other pool is. Very cool. Looks exactly like the other ones, just yellow and blue. That thing is very tall. I honestly think this is one of the tallest ones on property. So one thing that Disney's not really broadcasting is they're actually trying to declassify the resort types. The values, the moderates, whatever. That's why they're adding all these crazy amenities. Pop Century, they're gonna have updated rooms, which are beautiful if you've never seen them. A Skyliner, all this crazy stuff. They don't advertise that, but that's what they're trying to do. So you got a resort like this now, completely upgraded. Very, very nice. You got Skyliners, brand new rooms, a brand new main building, and then you got the DVC building attached to it now. Eventually, within the next few years, Disney is trying to declassify all of the resorts so they can start upcharging you. Gotta watch that. Alright, so we have officially made it around the resort. I am in, what is this section? Is this Aruba? I think it's Aruba. I don't remember anymore. But I've made it officially around the entire resort. I think I've gotten everything, so I still do have to go up back this way, cross the bridge and cut back to the main building to even get out of the resort. So I will show a few more things, but I think I covered everything. Hope you guys have enjoyed it so far. If you're coming to stay here, the noise level, I don't even hear the noise level obviously anymore because they're not jackhammering at the main building anymore. Any noise you will hear is coming from the Riviera, which is right next to me. So whatever section I'm in right now, I think this is, I'm pretty sure it's Aruba. That would probably be the only noise you would hear. But in all honesty, when I stayed here, you couldn't hear anything. When I was here, they had tractors, forklifts coming literally across the board or the sidewalk in the beach, and it still wasn't that bad. So the only noise was at the main pool, which there's nothing going on over there. So during the week there might be. I'm not really sure exactly what they're doing with the whole bulldozing of the old building right now. It's completely gone, so it might be dump trucks taking out all the garbage, whatnot. But yeah, sound wise, this place is great. I have no complaints with this place right now if I were gonna stay here again. Alright guys, so after seeing everything here at the Caribbean Beach Resorts, let me know what you guys think. What is your favorite moderate resort? Leave a comment below. Let me know the resort, why you prefer that resort. I gotta be honest, Caribbean's kinda rubbing off on me. Gonna have to stay here again very soon. I like this place a lot. Alright guys, so that wraps up today's vlog from the Caribbean Beach Resort, the much updated, beautiful Caribbean Beach Resort. Hope you guys enjoyed. This one was actually a lot of fun. I hadn't been here since a lot of the stuff was reopened, so we were all seeing this for the first time together, which was very cool. Beautiful, beautiful resort. If you guys are coming to stay here anytime soon, don't worry about anything. It is quiet, it is beautiful. I honestly love everything about it. The lobby is really nice. Food court's really nice. Restaurant's really nice. Everything that just reopened. Love it all. The Riviera, that is coming along very quickly, so very excited to see when that opens. Yeah. Even just the landscape, everything here looks really nice. So I don't know if I just wasn't paying attention last time I was here or what, but if you're coming to stay here, let me know what you guys think. I'm definitely gonna be coming back to stay here again sometime soon. I want to try out that food. I just want to experience everything staying here again now that it's a lot different than the last time I stayed here. So very excited. Hope you guys enjoyed. Like I said, I'll be doing videos again every week. Took a little break there for a little while. Thank you guys again for all of the messages I got. You guys are awesome. I definitely miss making them. I missed you guys as well. But I'm back. Make sure to hit that subscribe and share. See if we can get one, maybe even more videos out per week now. Especially with the holidays coming, there's gonna be a lot of videos for the holidays. Stuff is already rolling out here for Christmas, so make sure to stay tuned for those. But as always, from the Caribbean Beach Resorts, here in windy, cold Orlando, Florida, I will see you guys next week. Caribbean Beach Resort, I am Jason, and I'm out.